Good morning! It's our day 4 of our Queenstown trip. And actually, this is our last day here as well. We're leaving a bit early, around 10 o'clock because we still want to go to the city and explore. Nakakalungkot kasi ang bilis ng araw, grabe, sobrang bilis. After nito, siguro mga 3 o'clock or 3:45 yung flight namin. But I'm still going to show you around kung saan kami pupunta dito. So sana mag-enjoy din kayo. See ya! We are here na in the city! Ano ba yan? Oh, Mama! Si Mama at Papa! Meron aso doon kumakanta kanina. You know, over there. Pero nag-stop na ngayon. May nagpa-paraglide dun, oh, over there. Kung gusto nyo makita yung mga pictures ko, magpo-post na lang ako sa Instagram ko. So, if you haven't followed me sa Instagram account ko, my Instagram account is Cuico. Dun ako maglalagay ng mga pictures at saka yung story ko about our Queenstown trip. Here you go. Wow! Nice. Si Rosie, excited na excited makita. Happy baby! Happy baby! Happy baby! Happy! Ano kanta to? Wow! The view is so nice. Our last day in Queenstown. Babalik tayo na, Caleb. Yeah. Caleb, did you enjoy our trip? Caleb, did you enjoy our trip?
It's not done yet.
Yeah. Wow! May nakasakay doon, no?
Tatlo.
Saan mag-glide yun? Sa tubig.
Ay, hindi. Pag ano niya, baba niya, sa tubig ang masakyan niya.
Here is the famous Fudge Burger. Let us try kung masarap nga siya. Grabe, ang daming tao. Haba ng pila. Here you go. This one here. Pipila kami dyan. Ilang oras kaya kami pipila. Here you go. Ito yung menu nila. $11 yung the Fudge Burger. Sila Mama and Rosie waiting sa queue. Hindi na sila pipila. Here you go. Here's our order. Hindi naman ganun katagal yung pila. Medyo ano lang naman. Okay naman, 30 minutes. Rosie busy kumain ng ano niya, kanyang french fries.
Just ate the whole thing.
Ang laki niya. So, ang ginagawa ko, pinahati na lang namin kasi masyadong malaki yung burger. And, ang sa akin kasi is yung cheese niya is yung blue cheese. Kain! Fudge burger. Nandito na kami sa airport. This is ano na, pauwi na kami, papunta na kami ng Auckland. So, magstay lang kami dito for few hours and then inintay na lang namin yung flight namin. There's Mama and Papa coming, and we're here in Queenstown International. We are going home to Auckland today, and Rosie's awake na. Over there. We're coming in. We're just gonna wait for Daddy, who's gonna be here in 10 minutes.
And there's mommy, and we're already in the airport waiting for daddy. And there's all our luggage. Hi, mommy. What time is our airplane?
What's that?
What time is our airplane?
3:45. So it's only 1:15. So we still have to wait.
Can we get some candy?
Not really. Did you enjoy our trip, Kayla?
Yes.
You liked it? Which one did you like? The Wellington or here?
Wellington. It's New Zealand here.
Pakita mo dati.
We're going on.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, ang gagawin ko is I'm going to show you what's inside my travel makeup bag. If you want to see what's inside my makeup travel bag, please keep on watching. So, sa travel bag ko, I have this one here, container na to. So, this container, I bought it from Kmart and I think it's only $9 or $12, parang ganon. So, yung container na to is meron siyang pocket in this side, tapos meron siyang lalagyan ng mga brushes, and then meron din siyang another slot for in this side as well. Yung iba, ginamit ko, kakatapos ko lang kasi mag-makeup, kaya papakita ko from my makeup base. This is the primer that I used, yung Smashbox na Minimize Pores Photo Finish. And then, for the foundation naman, I used this Too Faced na aking favorite na foundation. Guys, pag oily skin kayo, sobrang ganda nito. As in, you should try this one. So, the whole time na nandito ako sa Queenstown, ginagamit ko to and hindi ako nagre-retouch. Except lang yung first day. Yung first day, actually, ang ginamit ko nun is yung Estee Lauder ko na foundation. Pero parang feeling ko, nung nag-blot ako, medyo nabura siya sa around my nose. Kaya, kung makikita nyo siguro dun sa video, parang medyo off yung sa nose ko nung time na yon. Pero, yeah. So, for this one, this is really good. And I'm in the shade Light Beige. My concealer naman, I have two concealers. So, as you all know, meron akong itong Makeup Revolution ko na concealer. I'm in the shade C8. And also, I have this Too Faced na concealer. I think it's a full coverage. Yeah, sorry. This is the multi-use sculpting concealer. For my setting powder, I have this Coty Airspan na setting powder. So, I also have this Smashbox na parang concealer siya. Itong kulay green na to. Kasi alam niyo naman yung aking redness sa around my nose. So, kino-cover ko lang siya nitong concealer na to. Eyeliner, yung aking favorite eyeliner at the moment, which is yung Makeup Revolution. Nasa review ko siya. If you haven't watched that video, I'll just put the link down below. I also have my Heroin Make Mascara and then my curler na Shiomura. And for my eyebrow, ang ginagamit ko is in this one na from Benefit. This is Goof Proof Brow Pencil. Naglagay pala ako ng extra parang na Estee Lauder ko na foundation. Nilagay ko lang siya sa lalagyan na to just in case gusto ko siyang gamitin. Pero hindi ko siya nagamit. And then ito naman, natatanggal siya yung lalagyan ng brush. Here you go. Meron akong mga brushes dito for my eye makeup, yung contour, yung pang blush. And I also have my Real Technique na sponge for my foundation. I use this Mario Badescu na facial spray and I also have this Sleek na setting spray as well. So I just use this one throughout the day para naman mag-last yung aking makeup. And lastly, ano pa ba ang aking lipstick? So dalawa yung ginamit ko na lipstick which is where is it? Oh. Yung aking favorite lipstick at the moment, which is yung Mellow. And then, ginamit ko rin tong BLK na lipstick, yung mini na travel size nila, which is in the shade na Australia. This is the eyeshadow, blush on, highlighter, and contour na ginamit ko. As you can see here, here you go. Nandito yung mga eyeshadow, tapos meron akong contour, blush, and highlighter. That's it, guys. Yun lang ang laman ng aking makeup travel bag. Alam ko, medyo maikling video lang to, pero I just wanna share with you. Matagal ko na talagang gustong gawin tong video na to. Every time na nagta-travel ako, pero hindi ko siya na-upload. Nagawa ko siya, pero hindi ko siya na-upload. Kung bago ka rin sa channel ko at hindi ka pa nakasubscribe and nagustuhan mo naman tong video na to, don't forget to click the subscribe button. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on my next one. Bye!